Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Spore Finance. So this is actually super easy, but you do need a few things for it. So this will be a step by step guide how to do this. So the first thing is go to sporefinance.co. That's where you want to go first. Then once you're on the website, go to hit buy Spore, and by default it will select you. First you have to hit understand and continue, and now you can go from Spore to FX, but we have to connect a wallet. So go ahead and go ahead and connect the wallet. As you can see, the wallet that we can use is MetaMask. So if you don't know what MetaMask is an online wallet on Google Chrome. So it's actually an extension. So you can go to the metamask.io website, a crypto gateway to blockchain in apps. So you want to go to the Chrome Web Store, just type it in chrome.google.com/webstore and then type in MetaMask right there. As you can see, this is the wallet you want to use. Go ahead and install it, and then it will be right here. And if you tap on it, this is how it will look. Here are all the networks. So this is very important. You need this. Let's go back to the website where we can connect it. Go ahead and hit connect. And then we want to connect with MetaMask. But first, what's very important, you have to select the smart chain. And by default, if you just installed MetaMask, it's not there. So the next step is go back to MetaMask right here. And let's do it. And I already created the smart chain, but I'm going to show you how to do it again. Go hit Binance Smart Chain at the top. By default, it won't be this one. You have to add it. So go to Advanced RPC because we have to add it manually. Go ahead and add it here. So this is what we have to add in it. The network is the Binance Smart Chain. Okay. Then the RPC is this link. And by the way, I put everything in the description down below. The chain ID is 56 and the current symbol is BNB. And then the last thing, block explorer URL is BSC scan. Okay, paste it in and then hit save. So I can't save it because I already made this one, but just hit save and go back and then select the Binance Smart Chain you just created, right? So let's go back, and this is how it will look if you're in the Binance Smart Chain. So once you've done this, you can go to connect wallet over here, MetaMask, and then this comes up. You can select the BNB Smart Chain, hit next, hit connect, and so now it says wrong, but we have to add Avalanche chain. So hit connect wallet. So now we're going to connect the MetaMask wallet to this exchange. So go ahead and connect wallet, MetaMask, and then you have to switch to the Avalanche chain, which will be done automatically right here. Hit it. Let's refresh. I'm sorry. Do it again if it doesn't work. MetaMask, switch to Avalanche chain, open MetaMask. Yeah, there we go. And then hit approve. This is the Avalanche Maintenance C chain, network, chain ID. Hit approve, switch network, and there we go. Now we successfully changed. So now we can add a token. And now I'm going to show you how you can add money from, for example, Binance. So you want to go to hit copy your account right here. That's important. Then go to bscscan.com, paste in your address, and then hit search. And this is all the information here. So now you want to copy this address again, this address right here. And now we want to deposit BNB into our MetaMask. Like, go to your MetaMask here. And we want to deposit money to it. Go to Bitcoin Binance Exchange. Go to wallet, fiat and spot. And now we want to find, which one was it? Let's see again. Just to confirm, it's FX. Okay, and then we have to search for FX. So there it is. We have to use FX. Hit withdraw, and then select the coin FX. recipient FX address, paste it in, and as you can see, this address matches a Binance Smart Chain. So that's also the one we are going to use. It has a very low fee. And as you can see, the transfer network is going to be FX. So FX is... So use this one, then enter in the amount. We can do 100 FX coins, like basically enter in any amount, then you can hit submit, and it will be sent directly into your MetaMask account. So when we go to MetaMask again, there we go, it will be directly deposited in here. And now we can easily transfer this into the coin we want, which is Spore Finance. That's the last step. Go back to Pangolian, the exchange, and then enter in the amount here. So we want to change this from FX to Spore, and then we connected successfully the MetaMask. So now we can do, for example, 100 FX by this amount of Spore, and then we can hit buy. Obviously, I can buy it because I don't have the right amount, because I didn't actually send it, because I don't have money, but you get the point. This is how you have to do it. If you have any questions, please ask it in the comments down below. And if you don't have a Binance account yet, go ahead and hit the link in the description and create your account from there. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.